So guys, so in Robinhood, there is a feature where you can sell by tax lot, right? And that makes a lot of sense. It was a long awaited feature that was not there before. You could only sell by your average cost and you wouldn't know which tax lot it is going. And that makes a lot of difference when you actually file for taxes, right? And this is gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna show you how you can use this feature that Robinhood has introduced, which is selling in the exact tax lot. And recently I did make use of that. I was not using it so often, but I had to file my taxes and I had to kind of adjust my profit and losses. The capital loss I had to actually account for in this last year, and that's when I started using this feature. And this is very good if you have a good tax amount and if you want to offset some of those losses. So that's what we are going to discuss. I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually do this and how it can benefit. If you are interested, guys, then please stick around, and with that, let's start. Okay, welcome to Eddie Finance, guys. So I'm gonna take two examples. One with Palantir, where I have most of it in profit now, and one I'll take Nvidia example, where my average cost basis is not good, and I had to offset some losses. Looks like. So I'm gonna show you both this example in my cell phone screen. Actually, I recorded this when I was actually doing it, so it's gonna be almost live that you're gonna see. So both these examples I'm gonna show you exactly how to execute, and I'm giving you two examples so that you can actually see both the cases, right, where you actually offset the loss, or maybe you have some losses from other stock that you wanna offset up with the gain of this stock, right? So let's see the first about the gain, right, that we had. That's the Palantir I'm gonna show you. So if you look at this, right, the Palantir stock here, and it's kind of it moved up recently. So for selling it, you click on that sell option, and then as soon as you click on that sell, right, it's gonna pop you up here. So usually what you do is you just click on the number of shares and you do sell, right, either limit sell or markets order sell, right? So instead of doing that, what you have to do is click on that share, and that's gonna bring you these options, right? So right here, the third option that you see, right, which says sell in tax lot, that's exactly you're gonna click on. So as soon as you click that, it's gonna give you these options, right? And as you see, right, and against the tax lot, there is this select lot, right? So when you click that select lot, it's gonna pop you up this screen, and here you're gonna see that there are, I bought this kind of, I averaged it down. Initially my buying price was around 108, then I keep buying it, and then my last lot that I bought was for $88, right? So you can see all the lots that I have bought for and what profit each of them makes, right? So if I have to, let's say I have maybe $300 loss somewhere, right, that I want to offset it first by using this, then you just select where it says, right, $298 profit. You're gonna select that lot and sell it. So if you can sell partially, you don't have to have like 40 shares to sell. You can pick any number out of that 40 shares that you wanna sell, and you just click on whatever lot that you wanna sell for. Let's say in this example, if you wanna sell it for the second lot, right, which is $80 profit, so, and that's 5 shares, right, and that's it. That's you're gonna select it. It will say how many lots it's picking. That's one lot, and how within that one lot how many shares, right? So that's the number of shares that you see and how much you're gonna get credited. So all those things are very similar to how you sell in a regular stock, right, without this feature. So the other things are pretty similar. It's just that selecting the right tax slot, right, that's what is different here. So that's what you do here. And if the markets are closed right now, if it is open, you just review and then submit. Okay, now let's take an example where I have some losses, right? So this is the Nvidia, and if I go to Nvidia, same thing, you click on sell and then you click on that share drop down, right? Once, as soon as you do that, you will come up with this options, and here what you see is again same, those lots, right? So you're gonna see all the lots here, and once this screen is there, what you can do is you can see where exactly you are making losses and where which lot is in gain, right? So let's say, assuming that you have some gains from other stock that you want to offset, right? You want to kind of balance out, you want to save on your taxes, then these losses will help you, right? Let's say you have a lot of gain that year and you have some profit, right, of this stock, so you can pick and choose only where you have loss, right? So wherever you see loss here, you can just pick those lots. You can leave the whatever gains you have for the next year, right? So for this year, what it will do is it's gonna calculate all these losses for the current year, and rest the profit that will move to the next year, right? This is very important if you want to save on taxes, right? I have all other videos as well about how you can save taxes on your capital gain, how exactly you can get your 1099 form from Robinhood. So I have a good video there. I will link that video in the description. Do check out. Other than that, I have other videos related to taxes, how you can save it, how you can actually minimize the taxes at least. So watch those videos, they're very helpful for the taxes, because this would be the right time to kind of start preparing for the taxes for next year, right? Because most of the people scramble when they get closer to the tax. It's just the beginning of the year. You have plenty of time to adjust your gain and offset your losses, and this is a very good way as well. So this tax lot feature helps there a lot. So coming back to this, right, this is the same thing what you gonna select here. Let's say you wanna pick something where you have losses, right? So you can pick anything and you can sell it. If you wanna just pick the gain, you just pick the gain and you sell that particular. After that, it's pretty similar to how we did in the Palantir case as well, right? So that's all same thing. So that was it, guys, for this video. I wanted to quickly show you how to use this feature. Do start making use of this feature. This is very good, and do note down all these tax lots that you have, how you can manage your taxes. It's gonna help you a lot when the tax season comes again and you have to file the taxes for that year, right? So start planning from now will help you save taxes as much as possible in the next tax year. Okay guys, so that was it for this, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Till then, happy investing. Bye bye.